Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So today I'm going to be told you guys how we can make the safe pal wallet. So first of all, you need to be go on a Play Store and just search the safe pal wallet. As you see, the safe pal wallet will become, and you have just need to be installed on your mobile phone. Just click on an install button and it will start the downloading. Once the download will be complete, then you have need to be create a wallet same like as you create Trust Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, Token Pocket and each wallet. So I have downloaded successfully. Now I open my wallet, click on a get start. As you click on a get start, it will ask a password. So you need to be enter a password and then confirm the password. Put at least you have need to be put 8 character password. The first word of your password should be capital and use one word numeric like at the rate and dollar, like such a word. Like I have a name of the Henry at the rate 001. Again, it will ask from the pattern. You can put a pattern. So I have put a pattern, confirm the pattern. So it will ask congratulations. So you need to be select software wallet and create a new wallet. If you have already wallet, then you can paste your previous wallet. It will ask enter the security password that you have given to create a wallet at the start. So you have need to be put a wallet and confirm. As you click on a confirm, the 12 words phrase will be appear. So you need to be copy the 12 phrase appear and click on a next. Then it will ask you need to be select the phrase according to the sequence as you have take. So as you complete your 12 phrase, you have taken a screenshot from other mobile phone or you write on a copy and then you put these phrase with the sequence. As you click on a confirm. As you click on a confirm, this wallet will be appear. Now the wallet have been successfully created. Now you have need to be deposit 2 coins like USDT BIP20 and BNB as a gas fee. So for the Sola road, we need this wallet. This is very great wallet. Just search in this search bar. You need to be, this is a DApp browser where we will join this Solar Road application. This Solar Road decentralized platform. So I will told you in a next video how to join in Solar Road. But here you need to be just click on a search and write in a search USDT BIP20, and here you need to be write USDT. As you click on a USDT, you will see you need to be just click on a plus sign to activate your USDT BIP20. Here it is added in your dashboard. Just click on USDT BIP20 and copy the address and send the USDT BIP20 from the exchange. If you have the dollar on your exchange, you can send from the exchange. If you have on an other wallet, so you can transfer from the other wallet in this wallet. Once your funds will be appear here, then we will go on a DApp and we will paste the referral link. And this I will tell you in the next video. But here you complete your safe pal wallet. You can see here is the USDT BIP20. Just click on receive and you will see the address. So copy this address and send BIP20 100 USDT and $2 or $3 BNB as a gas fee. So this is an download the safe pal wallet and ready your